I am back again with Ramina Kipusizi, and today I am saying ayikho into eyenzeka emfihlakalweni engaveli. Everything has its day. Ungazitshela for now, but you know what? I've got this. They will never know. They will never find out. Lento engiyenzayo, which is obviously kusuke kuyinto wrong in most cases. Ayikho into engaveli. Eventually it will come to light. Ungazenza zonke izinto ezimbi like to other kids, uzenze ezinye izinto to other people, and wenze lento lena oyenzayo emfihlakaleni uyitshela ukuthi ayisoze yavela. They will never know what I'm doing to them, or they will never know ukuthi ngiyavuka mina ngiye endaweni ethize. They will never know ukuthi ngibenza 1 2 3, but everything has its day. Everything will come to light. Yazi kukhona abantu ekungadlalwa ngabo empilweni, and the universe iyakuyeka. You tell yourself ukuthi you have the upper hand, you know, I've got this. Angithi umhlaba ungowakho wena. Yonke into is going according to how you want it, and nobody will ever know. But truth of the matter is, everything comes to light eventually. As long as kuyinto embi or something that is wrong that you're doing, iyavela. And by the time ivela, now you won't believe ukuthi yazini, I can't believe this happened. Kukhona abanye abantwana yazi oyitshela ukuthi wena ubenza izinto ezi-negative, and you feel ukuthi soze azi ukuthi yimi engenze 1 2 3, asoze azi ukuthi I'm the one who said 1 2 3. Everything has its day. Yonke into inesikhathi sayo. You may have the upper hand right now, but whatever you do in darkness will come to light. Nawe kwesinye isikhathi unembezo uyakutshela. Once it does, reverse and stop it. Umuntu akuyena umuntu womuntu. Yes, we are born of parents, but no human belongs to omunye umuntu. Therefore, you have no right ukwenza izinto zobumnyama phezu kwabanye abantu and just think you'll get away with it. Your day will come where you'll be exposed and ngeke ukholwe. Your day will come where everything will reverse kuwe because udlale ngabantu aba-wrong, udlale ngomuntu wrong. Uzobona nje izinto zakho nawe ukuthi uyazama ziphumelele, because angithi wena you have this thing of hiding, but yonke into iyavela.